In a meeting held on Thursday in the Mbale Town Council, which was attended by Works Minister Monica Azuba Ntege and a team from Uganda National Roads Authority led by the Executive Director Kagina, angry residents from at least 400 families expressed their disappointment with the manner in which UNRA has been carrying out its compensations. The families claim to be demanding between 10 and 60 million shillings for compensation. They said their land and property has been destroyed by the ongoing roadworks on the Mbale-Manafwa Road, and they threaten to block the road construction if they are not fully compensated.
We'll never ever start works on a piece of land that has not fully compensated. When did you break that agreement or arrangement? In short, let them pay and this work will go on.
UNRA was also accused of not doing enough groundwork and carrying out selective compensation.
How can the first payment be honored and then the second payment be suspended? So to the community here around, they have generalized the project and the project managers, the government at large, as being unreliable and unrealistic.
The Executive Director of UNRA, Kagina, acknowledged some flaws in the system and delayed payment, but promised to address the challenges. The Minister for Works, Monica Azuba Ntege, also instructed the Uganda National Roads Authority to investigate the complaints and directed the constructors to halt their work until the issue is addressed.
So I'm directing UNRA okulaba nti ebintu byonna bikolebwa and it is addressed.
The 45-kilometer Mbale-Manafwa Road is being constructed by China's Civil Engineering and Construction Company and is expected to cost 24 billion over a period of 2 years.